Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of cobots, or collaborative robots. So, what are cobots? Unlike caged industrial robots working separately from humans, cobots are designed to operate safely alongside people. This allows for human-robot collaboration that achieves better productivity and quality than either could reach alone. Now, why do we need this new category of robot coworkers? Well, traditional industrial robots are extremely fast, powerful, and hazardous around humans. Without proper safety measures, collisions can severely injure or even kill operators. Cobots overcome this through built-in sensors, controls, and other features that enable shared workspaces. For example, leading brands use force sensing in cobot arms to detect obstacles and automatically stop movement before any human contact that could cause harm. Additionally, their lighter weight means less severe impacts in the unlikely case contact does occur. This makes safety measures like cages unnecessary, delivering precision robotics without sacrificing employee safety. While I've referred to collaborative robots broadly so far, it's important to note many different models exist in various shapes and sizes. Leading manufacturers offer both 6-axis and 4-axis options, depending on the range of motion needed for the application. You'll also find payload capacities spanning from 3 kilos to over 15 kilos for lighter or heavier tasks. Additionally, cobots feature end effector mounts compatible with plug-and-play tools like electric grippers, vacuum grippers, magnetic grippers, and even customizable end effectors. This flexibility allows adapting cobots for many production duties, from machine tending and welding to parts assembly, adhesive dispensing, inspection, and more. Now let's clear up a couple myths. Contrary to concerns, cobots aren't replacing human workers. Instead, they handle tedious, injury-prone jobs, empowering people for more satisfying roles, leveraging creativity and critical thinking. And with accessible pricing from $20,000 to $40,000, small and mid-sized companies can realize automation ROI faster. Let me know other cobot questions in the comments, and please like and subscribe for more videos like this one.